Welcome to my new vlog. So this time we went to Springbrook National Park and it's literally a rainforest, approximately 1.5 hours from Brisbane. So we just made it to Springbrook National Park and I drove us here. It was the first time me driving a long distance like this, and it was really hilly, went up and down, and I never drove like a hilly environment, always like really flat. So that was really exciting and there was amazing views on the way already. And now we're just heading to our first spot, which is a cave. And then after, I think we go to the waterfall. If you go on after sunset, you see them glow, the glowworms. Can't believe I'm actually here. I feel like I'm in a zoo which has like a made up rainforest within the zoo, but I can't believe this is real. And I'm here. We can already hear the waterfall. It has to be close. It's even cooler down here. We just walked all the way down here and it's even cooler here. See it! It's right there. At night, this is where you see the glowworm, and it's supposed to be really pretty, but I wanted to be here earlier, but I definitely have to come back here around sunset to see the glowworms. It's kind of scary going down there, knowing there's like heaps of bugs, but I don't think you can see them that much. So while I was cutting this video, I realized this vlog just contains out of me filming the nature. So I hope you enjoy the views because nothing much is happening except for me just admiring everything I see in this video. I really would have liked to buy something there because it looks so cute and like handmade, but we don't have cash with us, so we can't take anything. But I think it's such a cute idea to just have a shop and have trust in people that they pay the amount you say they should pay and stuff. It's really sweet. So we're just on our way to the cafe and to the other waterfall, and we just drove past and saw there's another lookout here. So we had a stop before we eat to have a look at this view of the mountains. Looks really nice. It's so crazy. There's this private house right next to the lookout, and someone lives there, just really high up in the mountains. No one's here except tourists, and you just have your house here. We made it now to the other lookout and the way to the waterfall, and it started raining. It's really wet already. Put on my hat, which will be soaked later, but I don't want to give up and just go home. So I go there even though it's raining. Okay, so this is the one I want to do. I want to see some of the waterfalls. Okay, so judging by the lookouts, I think you definitely have to be here to really see how amazing it looks like. I feel like the camera doesn't capture the view at all. And also it smells so nice here because of the eucalyptus trees. I haven't seen a koala yet, but it smells really nice here everywhere. Okay, so I really don't know if the camera can capture this, but you have the cliffs there and there's like trees on top, and then this is just trees. It looks like, I mean, it is a rainforest, but it looks crazy. And then in the distance you see Gold Coast, all the buildings in the ocean, and you can literally see it's raining here, and then the Gold Coast it's still sunny. It's, I don't know, it just feels like it's massive. The water looks so clear. Okay, so Levi grew up in New Zealand, and he said for him this is like normal to walk around like a rainforest, like with waterfalls and stuff. For me, as a German, this is crazy. It's crazy. I can't believe it. He thinks I'm exaggerating, but it's so crazy to me. Okay, so we're about 1.5k into the walk, and it's just been going downstairs to the waterfall now, so the way back will be the exhausting one. But I'm still so amazed literally every minute I have to stop to take a picture and like just absorb the nature. It's definitely, it should be on everyone's bucket list if they're traveling through the Gold Coast. This is a must see, definitely. We made it through the waterfalls. Those are the twin waterfalls, and you are allowed to swim here. At most of the places you're not allowed to swim, but here you are. It looks so amazing. We didn't take our bathing things with us, but I think if it's a bit warmer, I would definitely swim here. Oh, yes. It is so windy up here, and my camera lens is getting wet from the waterfall. Yeah. It's so cool. I'm getting so wet from the waterfall, and it's so far away still. Okay, so now the sun came out and it looks like a whole different scenery. Okay, but how pretty do the trees and everything look like when it's sunny after the rain? We just finished going back up to the lookout, and now, because I didn't see enough yet, there's another lookout. It's called All the Best of Lookouts or something. I'll show you later. And with this name, I kind of have to see it. So we're driving there now. Alright, so we just finished the last lookout and it was pretty worth it to come here as well. It was a 6-minute drive from the other lookout. So I definitely recommend once you're here just checking all the spots. And they have a hike that is 17 kilometers and it's like more for advanced hikers, I think. But I'm really tempted to try that out in the future. They said it's taking around 5 to 6 hours, but I would really like to try it because you see waterfalls everywhere on that hike and I think it would be so beautiful. But yeah, we are driving back to Brisbane now and thank you for watching.